we are pleased to launch TiOC 2.0. This exciting new product is now available in bullet, turret, and PTZ versions, and features a variety of new technologies. TiOC 2.0 features dual smart illuminators, which is a breakthrough in terms of illumination in the security industry. It has 3 different illumination settings to meet various application scenarios, such as infrared mode, smart illumination, and white light. The audio is powered by Dahua VoiceCatcher Technology. It has dual mic arrays which greatly improve the sound pickup quality of the camera to achieve a longer pickup distance with less noise. The device actively works with a dual mic array and noise reduction algorithm to improve the sound pickup quality. This reduces wind noise and environmental sounds and ensures purer sounds at further distances. There is also a one-tap disarming feature by alarm port input. The TiOC 2.0 camera can be connected to a traditional alarm system to achieve arming and disarming. Our unique advanced optical path compensation technology corrects the angle of refraction of the incoming light rays, meaning that the camera can now output a brighter and clearer image with an f1.0 aperture lens. f1.0 superior aperture offers way more light with a brighter image at 25 or 30 frames per second in real time, even with artificial intelligence enabled. Through software upgrades, TiOC 2.0 can also be integrated with your alarm systems, establishing more convenient operation and a better ecosystem. The active deterrent features enables a siren, warm light, and a red and blue flashing light to scare off intruders instantly. The TiOC 2.0 also features an incredible smart motion detection feature, which uses artificial intelligence to actively filter out false alarms, enabling customers to focus on human and vehicle detection. We've worked hard to improve features like false alarms caused by animals, leaves, lights, etc. Detection distance has now been increased by 80% using artificial intelligence. Detection accuracy is now greater than 99%. The TiOC 2.0 offers the ability to warn people instantly via customized sounds and red and blue deterrent lights. You can also warn people directly through the internal speaker of the camera via the mobile application. The TiOC 2.0 offers incredible colorful monitoring for vivid detail at night or low-lux environments. Please contact our sales teams now at sales.uk@dahwatech.com. Don't forget to like, hit the bell, and subscribe for more of our great content.